Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Monopoly Go account permanently. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So here we are on Monopoly Go, and to permanently delete your Monopoly Go account, the first thing you need to do is open the app and log into your account. So once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three lines to open the menu. So from this menu, select Settings, and in the Settings menu, look for the green Manage Account button here. And then on the next screen, you will see an option at the bottom for account deletion. So just tap on that. So it will then take you to an article here. So from here, just scroll down on that article until you find a red Delete My Account button. So just tap on it and make sure to read through the information provided so you understand what happens when you delete your account. Once you're ready, press the red Delete My Account button and just fill in your details such as your name and email and complete the form. So after you've submitted the form, the process to permanently delete your Monopoly Go account will then begin. So that's basically how you can delete your Monopoly Go account permanently. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.